Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cheap cookware is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen essentials for budget-conscious cooks and those just starting out, but navigating the world of affordable pots and pans can be tricky. This video will dive into the top picks for cheap cookware sets, examining their durability, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision without breaking the bank. Number 5. SODAY 12 Pcs Cookware Set. It features a superior granite coating for effortless cooking. Food slides right off, making cleanup a breeze. Enjoy healthy cooking without harmful chemicals, as it's PFOS and PFOA free and SGS approved. The durable aluminum core ensures quick and even heating. Say goodbye to hot spots and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time. Its multi-layer construction guarantees consistent results. This set works on any cooktop, from gas to electric and induction. It's designed for ultimate convenience and versatility in your kitchen. No matter your stove type, you're covered. Cleaning is a snap. Simply wipe with a paper towel or rinse with water. Save time and water with this easy-to-clean cookware set. It's designed for quick and efficient cleanup. The Bakelite handles are heat-resistant, protecting your hands. The glass lids allow you to monitor your cooking progress without lifting the lid. Enjoy safe and convenient cooking. This set includes everything you need for everyday cooking. From frying pans and saucepans to a steamer and utensils, it's a complete kitchen solution. It has all the essential pieces to cover all your cooking needs. What we like? It boasts a superior non-stick coating ensuring effortless food release. The even heating eliminates hot spots for consistent cooking results. This set works on all stovetops, making it perfect for any kitchen setup. If you need a reliable, versatile set for all your cooking needs, this is the one for you. What people say. I used 2 of the pans for pancakes and bacon and the food didn't stick to it at all. My husband made potatoes and eggs and he said the pans still looked clean after cooking. It cleans perfectly, no scrubbing the food off like how I had to with my old set. These are fabulous. I've been using them for a few months now and there has been no degrading of the very effective non-stick quality of these pots and pans. I love how they look, how lightweight they are, and how well they work. Truly nothing sticks to them and cleanup is an absolute breeze. These pans are a plus with quality, ease of use and have held up really great. Number 4. Chef Star 11-Piece Cookware Set. This 11-piece set is your new kitchen essential. It includes everything you need for delicious meals. Say goodbye to burnt food. It distributes heat evenly, ensuring your food is cooked just right every time. Made with durable aluminum, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup. These pots and pans feature scratch-resistant surfaces and comfortable, non-slip handles for a secure grip. It's safe for use on gas, electric, and induction stovetops and the tempered glass lids are heat-resistant up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This cookware set makes a wonderful gift for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts. It's both stylish and functional. What we like? This set features even heat technology for perfectly cooked meals every time. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Made with high-quality aluminum, it's built to last. If you value convenience and consistent cooking, this is an excellent choice. What people say. I've had 0 issues with scratches, just don't use metal, or sticking, no oil needed, very easy to clean. Does not feel cheap, feels expensive. These are adorable and sturdy. I would not use the skillets in the oven for longer than 15 to 20 minutes or the handles will start to crack. Otherwise I love their look, feel and quality. Number 3. Country Kitchen Cookware Set. It's time to say goodbye to cluttered cabinets. This stackable cookware set with removable handles makes organizing your kitchen a breeze. You'll have everything you need, neatly stored and easily accessible. Experience ultimate cooking flexibility. Its removable handles allow you to seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven to table, simplifying your cooking process. This cookware boasts a patented non-stick granite coating, free from harmful chemicals like PFOS and PFOA. Enjoy a safe and long-lasting cooking experience. It's oven-safe up to 480 degrees, making cleanup easy and opening up a world of cooking and baking possibilities. Go ahead and try those new recipes. For best results, simply wash it with hot soapy water and dry immediately. To protect the non-stick coating, use silicone, plastic, or wooden utensils. Hand washing is recommended. What we like. The removable handles offer ultimate flexibility, moving easily from stove to oven. It's oven safe up to 480 degrees, expanding your cooking options. The safe non-stick coating ensures healthy cooking. If you need versatile cookware for various cooking methods, this is a great option. What people say. Classy country design, very easy to use, very easy to clean, dishwasher safe, very durable, stackable space saver. Detachable handle but very sturdy and strong. Cooks your food evenly without sticking to the pan. A variety of sizes to fit most cooking needs. This set is perfect if you don't have a ton of space to store pots and pans. They are non-stick and easy to clean. Changing the handle is easy and it doesn't feel bulky or cumbersome. They are really easy to clean and I like the fact that you can use them on a variety of cooktops, so if you are a renter, they can travel with you if you move without having to worry about what type of range your property manager installs. The thick aluminum construction, the great heat distributing bases, the finish inside and out are all top-notch. The handles are well made and have a nice grippy texture. The latching mechanism on the handles grips tight and solid, far nicer than my old Tefal set ever did. The non-stick coating on these is superb, you barely need to use any oils or fats, and nothing sticks. The thick aluminum heat bases ensure very even heat distribution. Number 2. Gotham Steel 20PC Ceramic Cookware. This innovative cookware set is designed for effortless cooking and easy cleanup. It's the ultimate solution for busy kitchens, offering both style and functionality. The 3x coated ceramic surface, reinforced with diamonds, provides superior food release. Say goodbye to sticking and hello to healthy cooking. This 20-piece set includes everything you need for cooking and baking. From frying pans and saucepans to baking dishes and utensils, it's a complete kitchen in a box. It's made with ceramic and titanium, free of harmful substances like PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. Enjoy healthy cooking without compromise. The diamond-infused coating is incredibly durable, withstanding metal utensils without scratching. It's built to last for years of reliable use. Simply place it in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying delicious meals. The aluminum construction with a spiralized bottom ensures even heating. The ergonomic handles stay cool to the touch, preventing burns. What we like. It features a 3x coated ceramic non-stick surface reinforced with diamonds for ultimate food release. You can use metal utensils without worrying about scratching. Cleanup is a breeze as it's completely dishwasher safe. If you want durability and easy cleaning, this is the set for you. What people say. Cleaning them is so easy. Nothing sticks and they simply wipe clean. Overall good product arrived a day early, really surprised how food doesn't stick. Everything as advertised. I even went back in and ordered a 14-inch matching skillet and a pizza tray. Number 1. Bella 12-piece cookware set. This stylish cookware set opens up a world of cooking possibilities. It's perfect for everything from simple weeknight meals to elaborate gourmet creations. This all-in-one set includes pots, pans, and utensils, everything you need for everyday cooking. Say goodbye to searching for the right tool. It's compatible with gas, electric, glass, and ceramic stovetops. This set easily adapts to your kitchen setup. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. Plus, the comfortable handles make it easy to move and carry. It makes a wonderful gift for weddings, housewarmings, or anyone who loves to cook. It's also a great addition to your own kitchen. What we like. This set offers a PFOA-free, scratch-resistant non-stick surface for effortless cooking and cleaning. It's compatible with all stovetops, offering great versatility. The comfortable handles make it easy to use. If you're looking for a convenient and easy-to-clean non-stick set, this is a great option. What people say. Love the set. Color is very beautiful, handles are steady. It's actually non-stick and I love that. They look nice. They do feel very light. I've had these pots and pans for about 6 months now and they're great. They're kinda my go-to pots right now and they're holding up pretty well. The quality is great and everything is pretty lightweight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.